Good morning, everybody. Gonna get myself some coffee beans and milk because I want to make my own coffee. Should I get this one? Do I deserve an Illy? I got the Illy. No more buying coffee 2026. I mean, I bought that, but... Oh my god. Illy memang worth every ringgit that I spent just now. Let me talk to you about the 3-page that I did. It was so liberating. I felt so free sebab aku rasa macam all of my brain got dumped into 3 pages. It was so fun. I wanted to show you, but it's in my car. Like, I haven't been in tune with myself lately, right? So I felt like, okay doh, buat benda ni. She's here! Let's go, bitch! Ooh! See that? Ooh! Gorgina! Dia tengok TikTok. Kenapa homegirl aku ambil pasang lagu Imran? Alif pasang lagu Alif. Dia fuck girl. Sorry. Ada nak bawa gimana?
Near that experience kami.
Pun tak laju pun. Okey je ni, takkan ingat pun. Look at the clouds. So fluffy. I kedai. Perut tu dah kenyang. Jom kerja. Ada beli file kelepeng. File. Ada ke WFP. Tengok siapa datang. Yahoo. Sebab dia nak try jaket je. So Haikal suruh I beli kamera apa tadi?
Adalah satu kamera tu tak ni nak mention.
Rahsia.
Okey.
Fikir. Kejap lagi
Tak
kita
payah
pergi.
fikir, tak payah fikir. Dia tak boleh nak fikir dah tu. Workshop di Izzati Suza kedai kita akan buat kat sini workshop.
Dan beli. So, today what are we gonna draw? Macam mana nak dapat 8,000 dalam sejam? Okay, hear me out. Aku nak kamera, tapi aku pernah beli Osmo. Lepas tu aku jual balik. Lepas tu aku ada Sony A6000, aku jual balik. Sebab aku rasa macam aku malas nak edit color video kan. Aku tengok orang pakai Fujifilm. Rupanya color dia apa semua, I know. Maybe it's the preset that kita set tu lawa lah kan. Orangnya set lawa, tapi bukan apa, tapi I had to jog it out, to run my feelings away.